Okay, Year 11. So, third part of this week's work is really some independent work for you. So, what you need to do is, if you look through these Google slides, it has a slide for every single poem in the poetry anthology. Now, you are not, I repeat, not expected to do every single slide. That would be horrific and would probably take you about 3 weeks to do. So what I want you to do is I want you to choose 3 poems to revise. Now, please remember that it's not sensible to choose a poem you're already ridiculously confident with. That's not going to help. The whole point of revision is to revise the areas that you are not confident with. So choose poems you are not confident with. And for each poem, there will be a slide. So we're going to pretend that London, that we did last week, is one that you are not particularly confident with. So you would go through and find the slide on London by William Blake, and there are a range of questions on there for you. And what you should be doing is you should choose at least 8 of those questions and answer them. Now, I have attached a Google Doc version of the Educast Poetry Anthology for you because I know that lots of you have got them in school. So for London by William Blake, you might want to just have that, just reduce the size of that tab and have that on one place, and then have the poem as well. And what I'd like you to do is I would like you, if you're doing London by William Blake, for example, I would want you to just click in between after the London by William Blake slide and then insert a new slide and answer your questions on here and just put London revision tasks. Okay, and then add your answers on here. You might need just to insert a little text box to pop your answers in there. Okay, so I can see that you've done that. So 3 poems only, and this is quite independent. I'm not going to give you much help with this. You've got your Educast Poetry Anthology to help you, and you've got GCSE Pod with videos on all of the poems. But obviously at this point in Year 11, we want to really be nurturing that independent revision. Okay.